Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to NASA News Network, where we dive into the latest and greatest in space exploration and technological advancements. Today, we're talking about a project that's out of this world, literally. Meet the amateur astronomer who's harnessing the power of NASA satellites to detect rain clouds. Imagine being able to predict when it's going to rain without needing a weather app or waiting for forecasts. Sounds like science fiction, right? But thanks to the latest advancements in radio astronomy and AI-powered object detection, it's now possible, and we're here to tell you how. Our story begins with a keen-eyed amateur astronomer who's been bitten by the astronomy bug. When cloudy weather kept them from stargazing, they turned their attention to radio astronomy instead. Using an antenna and SDR, they were able to connect directly to NASA satellites like GOES-19, which is parked in geostationary orbit 22,000 miles away, a viewable distance from many backyard locations. With the right equipment and some clever software, this amateur astronomer was able to start collecting satellite data pretty quickly. But what they wanted to do next was take it to the next level, using AI-powered object detection to identify rain clouds in the images. That's where Edge Impulse came in, an Edge AI platform that allows developers to create custom models for various tasks, including image classification. Our amateur astronomer imported 100 images into Edge Impulse and got to work labeling the data. Once the labels were complete, they created an object detection impulse using FOMO 0.35 at a 320x320 pixel resolution, a challenging task, but one that yielded strong results. With a strong F1 score of 97%, their model was ready for testing. The test data showed promising results as well, which led to the deployment of the model as a Linux Arch 64 IM file. Since the Raspberry Pi 4 was already being used to run the satellite imagery processing software, it was the perfect opportunity to also use it to run the object detection model in a Python script. The end result? A beautiful GIF animation that showcases the power of AI-powered object detection on satellite images. And with the deployment of this project, our amateur astronomer can now be notified when rain clouds are approaching their location, thanks to the latest advancements in space-based weather monitoring and Edge AI. That's all for today's episode of NASA News Network. If you're as fascinated by space and technology as we are, be sure to subscribe and follow us on social media for more updates from the world of space exploration. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the amateur astronomer behind the next big breakthrough in space-based weather monitoring.